Here's another everyday carry. The Lumintop FW1AA. It comes with your extra O-rings, 2, pretty much standard, lanyard, and your pocket clip. Your pocket clip comes on the light. I don't think it's removable. This one comes with, mine came with a 920 mAh Ace Beam rechargeable battery. Double A with a rechargeable in it. That's pretty new. So I'll read you the specs, go through the cycles, tell you a little bit about it, and I'll take it outside and show it to you. When you turn it on, it's got the memory. So you turn it on, it's on low, shut it off, turn it back on, it's on low. But then it's got that, hold on to it, it ramps up, let go, hold on to it again, it ramps down. Anywhere in between you stop, turn it back on, it's got that memory. Double click goes straight to turbo. Triple click, I believe. Quadruple click locks it out. I'll show you that at night. So when you turn it back on, if it's in your pack or your pocket, and the button actually gets, the button's in the back, by the way. The button gets clicked, it'll only stay as long as the button's held. The pressure comes off, it goes off. You're gonna figure, how do I turn it back on? Well, if you quadruple click it again, it comes back on. Turbo. From off, triple click, take you to the SOS. But it only cycles through a couple times. Turbo. Ramp up. Ramps down. Shut it off. Click it 4 times. And it's locked. No matter what you do, it won't stay on. 4 times. It's locked. 4 more times. And it's back on. Safety feature. So let me read a few of the specs and I'll take it outside and show you what it does. Half a lumen to 700 lumens. Cool white. Runtime 489 hours on half a lumen. Intensity. The distance 210 meters maximum. Weight 32.5 grams. 6061 aluminum without the battery. Just about 3/4 in the nose diameter. And just a little over 3 inches long. Lanyard, knurling here, knurling here. It's a reversible clip. Can clip this way or this way. You got your lanyard. This is the Lumintop FW1AA. I'm going to show you what it can do in the dark. Okay, this will be the Lumintech FW11. There's the low stage. It's got an infinity brightness where you hold on to it, it goes all the way up. That's one AA battery. If you hold on to it, it'll go all the way back down to the low. If you double click, straight to turbo. Okay, you're off, you double click, straight to turbo. If you're off, you triple click, SOS. So you got your SOS mode, turbo. There's your turbo. It's your high, all lit high. Hold it again, all the way down to low. Even low is not bad for a 1AA. So there's your low. There's your turbo, okay. There's your low, absolute lowest. There's the high. Okay, besides the low, hold on to it. Besides it ramping up, and then hold on to it ramping back down, you can stop anywhere in between, and if you shut it off, memory, it comes right back to there. Double click, turbo, off, triple click, SOS. But if you quadruple click, 4 clicks, it puts it in a lock mode, so it can't turn on. 4 clicks, that'll turn the lock mode off, back on. Lumintop, FW1AA. And it is sold by Flashlight brand. Link in the details down below. Flashlightbrand.com. Now with this, you get this card. You got this 10% cash back. If you post a review of this light, a video, a short video, do a review on it on Instagram or on flashlightbrand.com, they'll give you a code. You get 10% off your next purchase from them. There'll be a link in the details down below.